Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable Gyroscope in Delta Force. If you want smoother aiming and more precise control in Delta Force, enabling the Gyroscope can take your gameplay to the next level. First of all, launch open Delta Force game on your device and then from the home screen, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu, click on Basic from the left. Now click on Control at the top and then you will see a Gyroscope option. Tap on Always On under Gyroscope, and once you select that, you can also go ahead and enable the Gyroscope horizontal reverse or the vertical reverse if needed. You can set it according to your comfort or precise aiming, and once you are done, you can then get back to the home page and enter a game in order to see if the aim moves with your motion. Adjust the sensitivity further if needed for smoother gameplay, and that's it. You've successfully enabled the Gyroscope in Delta Force. Enjoy more precise aiming and enhanced gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.